miles every morning. At lunch, she goes to work with me every day. So we get an opportunity at lunch. We go out and we practice for 30 to 45 minutes, different parts of the routine. They're cost effective. Then in the evenings, we'll go in, and I usually just have like dog time where we go out in the yard, spend about 45 minutes, and just have fun. We usually do this 5 to 6 days a week, and Sundays is always a rest day where we don't do anything. We just sit around the house.
50 seconds.
Last year, we was ranked 33rd in the world. Hopefully we can do a little bit better this year, I hope. This is such a nice venue, good crowd. You see us behind us. They really enjoy watching the dogs, which is fun for us because we can hear the people out there. So it's great just hearing the applause, and it's just a great sport to get into.
10 seconds. And that is time for Chris and Mindy.